Hi art lovers, how you doing today? Got a, what do we have here? 12 by 12 canvas. Did a pour on it. Didn't like it. Wiped it off. Start all over. Put down a gray background. Gonna do a Dutch pour. And I'm gonna start with some yellow. Some green, do some red, do some blue. Now all these paints except for the background and the yellow is folk art. The yellow is Artist Loft. Flow acrylic, and the gray is just a mixture of the black and white and Floetrol. The paints is made with my medium. 5 ounces of glue all, an ounce of Floetrol, and a half an ounce of Flow Improver. Let's see. Do I want to leave that, or we want some more color on there? Let's leave it at that. And this gray, the gray is, what is the gray? I forgot. Craft Smart acrylic, or metallic acrylic. Been one of those days. Okay. You might want to stick your fingers there in your ears, because here we go. That didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Alright. At first you don't succeed. Try again. Alright, stick your fingers in your ears. Hold on, I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. On my gray is gone. Let's see if this get me over the edge. That looks pretty cool. What do you think? Been a while since I've done one of these. That's what I wanted to do, another one. Gotta get me a different. That hairdryer, I think, gets too hot and dries everything out too quick. I need one of those cold air ones. Yeah. I've never heard of cold air hair dryers, but apparently they're out there. I've heard of people talking about them. Other reporters, you know, have mentioned them. So they must exist. Well, get that stuff to stick on the corners. Might just be alright. Looks pretty cool. Pop these air bubbles. There's no silicone in any of these paints, but as you can tell, I'm still getting cells, and that's from the flow trough. Alright, they're not popping, so my trusty high-dollar tool back out here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Excuse my big head. There's one. Where's the other one? I had one person says about why I don't talk very much, you know. Well, not a chatterbox. Don't really have much to say as far as, you know. Remember, if you like it, you get your canvas the way you want it. Start scraping these bottoms. See all that paint come off of there? I don't know if you can tell that or not, but as long as that paint's sitting there dripping, it's pulling paint off the top of your canvas. And if you get it to where you like it, you need to get that paint scraped off as soon as possible, so it'll leave the top of this canvas alone. That paint's drying out already. It's warm in my room today. Actually turned the A on, but we're upstairs. And the AC does come up here, but it's not like it is downstairs. It's 80 degrees in here. So hope it doesn't affect the drying of this too much. But like I said, I did hit it with the torch too, so torch will dry it out. And like I said, I'm running hot air on my I'm going to screw around mess that all up. But getting back to what I was saying earlier, is, yeah, I'm not really a chatterbox. You know, when it comes to the painting or whatever, yeah, I'll talk. But I also, when I get into something like this, or actual painting, you know, I'm more focused on what I'm doing than, you know, sitting here and just gabbing off about, you know, whatever. You know, I hope you come to my channel and watch the videos for my paintings and my pourings, and not to hear what, you know, all the other stuff. Couldn't even think of anything to, you know. Let that sit for a little bit. See if she starts dripping some more. Have to work a little bit more on that corner. This one up here. Hold your ears for a second. Yeah. Yep, it's not moving. So I'll probably do that a little bit off camera. So there you go, art lovers. Tell me what you think of this down in the description. And tell me if you want me to talk more, talk less, and give me some ideas. Tell me what you'd like to see next. You know, if it's a pour, what color, you know, if it's a Dutch pour like this, what colors, or let me know, and then we'll see what happens. Until next time, get out there and paint something.